We'll guide you through how to increase your headphone microphone volume in Windows 11. If your microphone sounds too quiet, people can't hear you clearly, or your voice is very low when using headphones, this tutorial will show you how to fix it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, make sure your headphones are connected to your Windows 11 computer. Then, right-click the Start button at the bottom of your screen. From the menu, click on Settings. Once Settings opens, click on System from the menu on the left. Next, click on Sound. Now, scroll down until you find the Input section. Under Input, you'll see the microphone that your computer is currently using. If you have multiple microphones connected, make sure you select your headphone microphone. Click on the microphone to open its settings. Now, look for the Input Volume option. This controls how loud your microphone input is. If the volume is low, move the slider toward the right. You can set it to 100% if necessary. After increasing the volume, you can test your microphone by speaking normally. You should see the input level responding to your voice. If your microphone is still too quiet, we can increase the microphone level using another Windows setting. Go back to the Sound settings. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. This will open the classic Windows sound settings. At the top, click on the Recording tab. Here, you'll see all of the microphones connected to your computer. Find your headphone microphone. Right-click on it and select Properties. A new window will appear. Click on the Levels tab. Here, you'll see the microphone volume slider. Make sure this is set to 100. If your microphone has a microphone boost option, you can increase this as well. Start with a small boost and test your microphone. If your voice becomes distorted or you start hearing a lot of background noise, lower the boost. Once you're happy with the settings, click Apply, then click OK. Now your headphone microphone should be louder. It's also a good idea to test the microphone in the application you're using. For example, if you're using Discord, open User Settings, go to Voice and Video, and make sure your headphone microphone is selected as the input device. If you're using Zoom, OBS, or another application, check its microphone settings as well. Sometimes Windows has the microphone volume set correctly, but the application itself has its own input volume setting. And that's how you can increase your headphone microphone volume in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more simple Windows and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.